Good morning, students. I am Tejinder Singh Sabarwal from ICE College of Hotel Management, and today we are going to learn a very important concept used in wine production, fermentation science, and beverage management. Must. Must is a foundational element in winemaking, and understanding it is essential for anyone studying beverages, fermentation processes, or viticulture. For hospitality students, this knowledge helps in wine appreciation, menu planning, and understanding how wine develops flavor, aroma, and body. 1. What is must? Must is the term used for the freshly crushed grape juice that contains the skins, seeds, and sometimes stems of the grapes. In simple words, must is the raw material from which wine is made. Before fermentation begins, grapes are crushed, pressed, mixed with skins and seeds. This mixture is called must. Must contains grape juice, sugars that will turn into alcohol, skins providing color, tannin, aroma, seeds providing tannins, pulp, texture and body. Must is rich, flavorful, and forms the base of all wines, red, white, and rosé white and rosé. 2. Importance of must in winemaking. Students, must is extremely important because it determines the quality and style of wine. Must helps decide the color of wine, shape the aroma profile, influence the flavor and body, provide tannins for structure, start the fermentation process, determine alcohol levels based on sugar content. For example, red wine must ferments with skins and seeds, deep color and strong flavor. White wine must is often pressed to remove skins early, light color and delicate aroma. Thus, must is the beginning of the wine's personality. 3. Components of must. Winemakers carefully evaluate the must because each component contributes to wine characteristics. 1. Sugars. Increase alcohol during fermentation. 2. Acids. Tartaric, malic, citric. Maintain freshness and balance. 3. Tannins. Provide structure and aging potential. 4. Aroma compounds develop the wine's bouquet. 5. Natural yeast begins fermentation. 6. Water and pulp contribute to volume and texture. Understanding these components helps winemakers adjust and monitor the fermentation process. 4. Types of must based on wine style. 1. Red wine. Must ferments with skins, seeds and sometimes stems. Deep color and high tannins. 2. White wine. Must pressed early to remove skin contact, lighter, fresher profile. 3. Rosé must. Short skin contact, light pink color. 4. Concentrated must. Used for sweet wines or to improve flavor intensity. Different musts lead to different styles and qualities of wine. 5. How must is processed. The winemaking process begins with must formation. 1. Grapes are harvested and sorted. 2. Grapes are crushed to release their juice. 3. The mixture of juice plus skins plus seeds becomes must. 4. Must is adjusted if needed for sugar or acid balance. 5. Yeast is added for fermentation. 6. must transforms into wine over time. The handling of must determines whether the wine will be light, medium, bold, sweet or dry. 6. Importance of must for hospitality students. As future hotel professionals, especially in F&B service, wine service, and culinary arts, understanding must is valuable because it helps you understand how wine begins and develops, enhances your wine knowledge for better guest recommendations, helps in food and wine pairing based on body and structure, builds confidence in explaining wine processes to guests, strengthens your beverage knowledge for menu planning, helps you appreciate the role of fermentation and grape composition. Knowing what must is gives you a deeper understanding of winemaking and elevates your professional competence in beverage service. Thanking you, ICE College of Hotel Management.